In this video, we're going to talk about how to write a phrase as a mathematical expression. These problems will be like those from 6.3, numbers 9, 11, 13, 15, and 17. First phrase is the product. It's going to be a keyword of x and of 8 and x increased by 1. So I've underlined the mathematical operators that tell us what to do. So product means to multiply. So x, 8 times x, increased by means to add 1. Next phrase here, 8 more than 4 times x. So more than, if we see this word than, it means that we need to switch the order around because it's 8 more than something. And the something that it's more than is 4 times x. The quotient of 5 and x decreased by 6. So quotient means division. We can write division with the division symbol, or we can write it with a fraction. I'm going to choose the fraction form. So the numerator is going to go first in the quotient. So the quotient in 5 and x is like that, decreased by 6. I could also have written it as 5 divided by x minus 6. That would have also been appropriate. If I had written it this way, I probably would have put parentheses around it just to make sure that it was clear that I was only dividing the 5 by the x and not by x minus 6. So when you write the problem, make sure that you're clear in what you mean. Moving on to the next problem. 7 decreased by x divided by 5. Now there's a parenthesis here to tell us that this is probably like this. Sorry, there's a comma here that probably implies these parentheses. So 7 decreased by x divided by 5. That's probably what that means, like that. Yes, because otherwise, if that comma wasn't there, then I would have said that it was x divided by 5, not 7 decreased by x divided by 5. So this comma is grouping this phrase together, and then the division happens. So and then last but not least, 8 times the sum of a number and 50. So the sum of a number and 50, so that's going to go in parentheses, the sum of a number. We're just going to call that n or x or some kind of variable, a number and 50. And then we want 8 times that. is going to be like so. All right. So wherever you see the thing like a number that makes you say, huh, what number? That's your variable. So if they don't tell you what the variable is, you get to choose any letter that you want to. And there we go. That's it for this video. Next time we will translate English sentences that have a subject and a verb, a subject and a predicate into mathematical equations, and then we'll solve those equations. See you for the next video.